Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to work on building a light box. I have some issues with lighting for my videos, so I'm going to give an attempt at building something. Please join me, and let's do this. Alright, here's the tedious part. I don't know if you can see that, but I gotta solder these wires, the negative to negative and positive to positive, all the way through so you complete the circuit. Alright, so the soldering is done, and it was tedious, but it's done. And it's easy to burn through foam core board with, with a soldering iron. But they all light up. Don't know if you can see that. So the idea now is, put a notch in here for this cord, is to glue this down. And that will be the basic structure, and then this will go on top. I have a piece of a GoPro accessory, a little piece of a glue stick, and what I'm going to do is Gorilla Glue down this glue stick and then attach the GoPro on top of that. As you can see, I used the GoPro mounting system at the base of this. I used Gorilla Glue to adhere the GoPro widget, I don't know what it's called, but a widget to the base there. And I can adjust the angle via the tripod and or the GoPro mounting system. For some more information on this build, check out my website, thebeardedgiant.net. There will be a link in the description as well as a card on the screen, and you'll find the build materials and some links to this project at the website. Thank you for joining me, and peace out.